Welcome to SapphireD2D, a professional home services. We repair AC, washing machine, refrigerator, water purifier, water heater, microwave, cooler, etc. Why to pay double for new one? Hired home appliance from SapphireD2D. Electrician, plumber, carpenter, mason. We have all solutions at one spot. SapphireD2D has a professional team for hardware and networking. Design your home with beautiful wallpapers, carpet, blinds, tiles, etc. Aluminum fabrication with perfection is our specialty. Make your dream house with beautiful colors and designs with SapphireD2D. Get deep cleaning of your home, chimney, sofas and office furniture. Give shine to your floor and furniture with our professional team. Why you fed up with unwanted guests at your home? Try our pest control services. If you want to get tension-free, try our membership packages. Difficult to manage everything? Hire our packing moving team. Get your name printed on t-shirt, mug, pens. We have best designers. We manufacture our O-plant, packing machines, water cooler etc. on pan level of India. We have best team to work perfectly. Thank you.